Hello students, this is Guneswar Kalita. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Guneswar Kalita Tutorial. Students, today I am going to discuss English grammar voice tense. Some important questions with answers from active to passive and from passive to active. So students, this is part 13 of voice tense. So number 1. You must write the answers in ink. Active voice. In passive voice, the answers must be written in ink. Here students, already I have taught you the object becomes subject. The answers is the object here. So it becomes subject here. The answers must be written. As must is here, you must write. So must remains the same, then be verb remains the same. The answers must be, then third form of the verb written in ink, passive voice. So being passive voice, this question was given in HSLC exam 1998. So students, next number 2, do it, active voice. If you are given to change the voice from active to passive, एज राइटिंग डू इट, इसको करो. सो इनका पैसिव वॉइस होगा लेट इट बी डन, इसको किया जाएगा. लेट इट बी डन, इसको किया जाए. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, प्लीज डू इट, एक्टिव वॉइस. यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू डू इट. व्हेन प्लीज इज गिवन, देन यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड नीड्स टू राइट. सो प्लीज डू इट, you are requested to do it, passive voice. Next number 4, the members select the president, active voice. This question was given in HSLC exam 1998. So the answer is, means the passive form is, the president is selected by the members. Here students, you know, the object becomes subject. In this sentence, the members is the subject, select is the verb, the president is the object. Here object becomes subject, the president. Then being a sentence of simple present tense, is needed. Is needed to write. So the president is. Then third form of the verb select. Select is the verb, third form is selected. Means past participle form is selected. The president is selected. Then preposition by, and the subject becomes object by the members, passive voice. Next students, number 5, he was taken to hospital. So here object is understood, object is not written. इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट लिखा नहीं गया. ही वॉज टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल, उसको हॉस्पिटल लिया गया. किसी के द्वारा, ये अंडरस्टूड है, ये इसमें दिखाया नहीं गया. सो उनका हिसाब से इसका पैसिव से एक्टिव करना होगा. ही वॉज टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल, पैसिव. सो एक्टिव में होगा, इन एक्टिव फॉर्म, दे टूक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल. सो ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट रिटन, सो वी गेस वन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड वी नीड टू मेक इट सब्जेक्ट. हम एक अंदाजा लगाना पड़ेगा उसका ऑब्जेक्ट का हिसाब से, और उनको सब्जेक्ट बनाना है. सो इधर हम दे टूक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल, इसमें बाय डेम मान लिया और उनका हिसाब से डे बनाया. और हम लोग इससे सामवन भी बना सकते. ही वॉज टेकन टू हॉस्पिटल बाय सामवन, देन सामवन टू हिम टू हॉस्पिटल. नेक्स्ट नंबर 6, दिस डॉग बाइट स्ट्रेंजर्स, एक्टिव वॉइस. इन पैसिव वॉइस, स्ट्रेंजर्स आर बिटेन बाय दिस डॉग. दिस डॉग, ये कुत्ता, बाइट स्ट्रेंजर्स, जो अपरिचित लोग हैं उसको काटते हैं, एक्टिव वॉइस. सो पैसिव वॉइस में स्ट्रेंजर्स आर बिटेन, अपरिचित लोग को काटा जाते बाय दिस डॉग, इस कुत्ते के द्वारा, पैसिव वॉइस. नेक्स्ट नंबर 7, प्रोमिसेस शुड बी केप्ट, पैसिव वॉइस. बाय समवन और बाय समथिंग is understood here, object is understood here. So we will write its active form in this way: one should keep one's promises, or you should keep your promises. So in active voice we may write in this way and in this way also. हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं one should keep one's promises, और हम लोग लिख सकते हैं you should keep your promises. Next number 8, why did they beat you? उन लोग तुमको क्यों मारा? Active voice. So in active voice sentence was in question, so answer will also be in question. Why were you beaten by them? Next number 9, who teaches you mathematics? Active voice. जब हो रहता तो by whom आ जाते passive voice में. So by whom is mathematics taught to you? Is comes as it is the sentence of simple present tense. So by whom is mathematics? Mathematics was object here. Mathematics is object here. So it becomes subject here. By whom is mathematics taught? Third form of the verb teach. To you, passive voice. Next, number 10, does he carry a bag? Active voice. So it's an interrogative question, interrogative sentence or sentence of question. So does he carry a bag? ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का है, इसलिए सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का हिसाब से बी वर्ब का इज आएगा इधर. इज ए बैग कैरीड बाय हिम. नेक्स्ट नंबर 11, आर यू ड्रॉइंग ए पिक्चर? एक्टिव वॉइस. ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का है ड्रॉइंग. सो इसमें बी में आईएनजी आएगा. सो इज ए पिक्चर बीइंग ड्रॉन बाय यू? पैसिव वॉइस. नेक्स्ट नंबर 12, हैव यू रेड दिस स्टोरी? एक्टिव वॉइस. तो पैसिव वॉइस में हैज दिस स्टोरी बीन रेड बाय यू. नेक्स्ट नंबर 13, डिड यू वेस्ट मनी? एक्टिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस में वाज मनी वेस्टेड बाय यू. डिड यू वेस्ट मनी? तुम पैसा बर्बाद किया, तुम पैसा खर्चा किया. वाज मनी वेस्टेड? पैसा को बर्बाद किया गया. बाय यू? तुम्हारा द्वारा. तुम्हारा द्वारा पैसा बर्बाद किया गया था क्या? पैसिव वॉइस. नेक्स्ट 14 नंबर, वेयर दे प्लेइंग चेस? एक्टिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस में वाज चेस बीइंग प्लेड बाय देम. नेक्स्ट नंबर 13, 14, 15. नेक्स्ट नंबर 15. Number 14, were they playing chess? Was chess being played by them? Passive voice. Number 15, had you kept your promise? Active voice. Had your promise been kept by you? Passive voice. Next, number 16, will she draw a picture? Active voice. In passive voice, will a picture be drawn by her? Next, number 17, who will have done this job? Active voice. Passive voice, by whom will have this job been done? Next, number 18, the crop had not been sown by the farmer. Passive voice. Active voice, the farmer had not sown the crop. Next, number 19, the thief was being stoned by the mob. मतलब चोर को पब्लिक के द्वारा, मॉब के द्वारा, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल के द्वारा पत्थरों किया गया, पत्थर से मारा गया. सो द मॉब वाज स्टोन्ड द थीफ. द मॉब वाज स्टोनिंग द थीफ. नेक्स्ट नंबर 20, शी हैज बीन annoyed by his words. She has been annoyed by his words. उनको विरक्त किया गया उनका वर्ड के द्वारा, बात के द्वारा. So his words have annoyed her. उनका बात ने, उनका जो बातचीत ने उनको विरक्त किया. Next, number 21, my master was pleased with me. Passive voice. Active voice में I pleased my master. My master was pleased with me. मेरा master, मेरा मालिक मुझ पे संतुष्ट थे. सो आई प्लीज माई मास्टर. मैं मेरा मालिक को संतुष्ट किया था. नेक्स्ट नंबर 22. ए लेटर इज रिटन बाय हिम. पैसिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस ही राइट्स ए लेटर. प्रेजेंट टेंस. As in passive voice, is written, is used, so it's a sentence of present tense. So in present tense, he writes a letter. Write is used. In third form, write become writes. So he writes a letter. Active voice. Next number 23. Let your umbrella be fetched. Passive voice. Active voice. In active voice, this will be fetch your umbrella. So ये एक imperative sentence है. Fetch your umbrella. So let is used in passive voice. Passive voice is given first here. So we make it active by throwing the word let. इसमें let को हटा के हम इसको passive active करना है. Next 24. 1 mile has been run by me. Passive voice. In active voice, I have run 1 mile. Next 25. Rama was married to Sita. Passive voice. Active voice, Sita married Rama. 26. Flowers were not being plucked by anyone. So a passive voice. Active voice में nobody was plucking flowers. Next 27. He was taken to hospital. इसमें ऑब्जेक्ट अंडरस्टूड है. सो इन एक्टिव वॉइस दे टूक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल और समवन टूक हिम टू हॉस्पिटल. नेक्स्ट नंबर 28. ग्राहम बेल इन्वेंटेड द टेलीफोन. एक्टिव वॉइस. HSLC एग्जाम 1994 में ये क्वेश्चन आया था. दिस क्वेश्चन वाज गिवन इन HSLC एग्जाम 1994. सो ये एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस में होगा. इन पैसिव वॉइस द टेलीफोन वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय ग्राहम बेल. Next number 29. The rose is called the queen of flowers. Active voice. So HSLC exam 1994 में ये भी आया था. This was also given in HSLC exam 1994. So people call rose the queen of flowers. Next number 30. The principal presided over the meeting. Active voice. HSLC exam 1995. So the meeting was presided over by the principal. ये पैसिव. ये एक्टिव था, ये पैसिव हो गया. नेक्स्ट नंबर 31. द प्राइजेस वर गिवन अवे बाय द चीफ गेस्ट. HSLC एग्जाम 1995. पैसिव वॉइस. सो इन एक्टिव दिस विल बी द चीफ गेस्ट gave away the prizes. Next number 32. A storm damaged the house. Active voice. HSLC exam 1995 repeaters. The house was damaged by a storm. Passive voice. Next number 33. That book was written by me. Passive voice. HSLC exam 1995 repeaters. So in active voice this sentence will be I wrote that book. 34. They asked the boy many questions. Active voice. HSLC exam 1996. This question is from HSLC exam 1996. So in passive form, many questions were asked the boy by them. इसमें they subject है, asked verb है, the boy object, many questions also object. So first time we may use many questions as subject also. We may use the boy as subjects also. So here both is done. So first one many questions पहले हम लोग subject किया. Many questions were asked the boy by them. Passive voice. Or the boy was asked many questions by them. So them दोनों सेंटेंस में ऑब्जेक्ट होके रहा और एक ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट किया गया, दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट को नेक्स्ट टाइम सब्जेक्ट किया गया. सो नेक्स्ट 35. द थीफ विल कॉट बाय द पुलिसमैन. पैसिव वॉइस. HSLC एग्जाम 1996. The policeman will catch the thief. ये एक्टिव वॉइस, पहले पैसिव वॉइस में था, HSLC एग्जाम 1996 में आया, सेवा का. नेक्स्ट 36, he doesn't know me. Active voice, HSLC exam 1996 repeaters. So I am not known to him. Passive voice. Next 37, the bridge was repaired. Passive voice, HSLC exam 1996 repeaters. The workers repaired the bridge. और हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते, they repaired the bridge. Next number 38, I know your father well. Active voice, HSLC exam 1997. I is the subject here, know is the verb, your father is the object. Well is the additional part of the sentence. So your father is known to me well. Your father object को subject किया गया, your father. Next, as a sentence of simple present tense, so is used. Then third form of the verb know. Then I को object किया गया, to me. Well is additional part. Next 39, this poem was written by my sister. Passive voice. It was from HSLC exam 1997. My sister wrote this poem. Active voice. So next 40 number, he has written a novel. Active voice. This was from HSLC exam 1997 repeaters. A novel has been written by him. Active voice. Sorry, passive voice. A novel has been written by him. Passive voice. Next number 41. It will be published by him. Passive voice. From HSLC exam 1997 repeaters. So in active this sentence will be he will publish it. Next 42. Number 42. We have completed the arrangements for the fair. Active voice. HSLC exam 1998. So the arrangements for the fair have been completed by us. Passive voice. Next 43. The patient is being examined by a doctor. Passive voice, HSLC exam 1998. So in active voice, a doctor is examining the patient. Next number 44. This dog bites strangers. Active voice. From HSLC exam 1999. So strangers are bitten by this dog. Passive voice. Next 45 number, he was taken to hospital. So passive voice. Here object is understood. Object इसमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. So HSLC exam 1999. So in active voice, they took him to hospital. Next number 46, I do not know her. Active voice, HSLC exam 1999 repeaters. She is not known to me. Passive voice, she is not known to me. Next number 47, he was invited to the meeting. Passive voice, HSLC exam 1999 repeaters. So they invited him to the meeting. Active voice. Next 48, my sister wrote this poem. Active voice, HSLC exam 1999. So this poem was written by my sister. Passive voice. Next, last number 49. Rose is called the queen of flowers. Passive voice. In active voice, we call Rose the queen of flowers, or people call Rose the queen of flowers. So students, thank you. And at last, I appeal all of you to subscribe my channel if you not subscribe, and also I appeal to share my videos and like my videos. Thank you.